How to use juicing pulp as compost. Juicing is separating the juice of a fruit, vegetable or herb from the solid part or pulp, which contains the fiber or fibrous tissue. After a fruit or vegetable has been juiced, the pulp is usually just thrown into the trash and never thought about again. This pulp, however, can be used to make all-natural compost for the garden. Researchers have shown that using an all-natural or organic compost can improve the health and growth of garden plants. Things you will need: juicing pulp, peelings and cores, dead leaves and twigs, water, tiller. Place juicing pulp outdoors in a large pile about 3 to 4 cubic feet. Add any peelings or cores from fruits or vegetables, even dead leaves and twigs. When making compost, it is important to have a balanced 1-to-1 mixture of both brown and green materials. The brown supplies carbon and the green supplies nitrogen, both of which are needed in the composting process. Add water to the compost pile until it becomes the consistency of a wrung-out sponge. Moisture is critical to the decomposing process of the compost, but if the compost becomes too wet, turn the pile over and mix in some brown materials to help dry it out. Allow the compost pile to sit for approximately 2 weeks. Then turn the compost pile over with a shovel and bring material from the outer edges toward the center. Turn the pile every 2 to 4 weeks. Depending on the time of the year, compost is usually done in 3 to 4 months. If making compost in the winter months, stop turning the compost after November so that heat doesn't escape from the center of the pile. Spread the compost over the soil to be used for gardening. Till the soil of the garden at least 6 inches deep to incorporate compost into it. Plant your garden as usual. The compost also may be used as mulch around trees, flowers or landscaping.